Hello everyone! So before we begin, how about we introduce ourselves first? So I am Marie Pearl Cipialago and I'm going to be your English teacher for this class. How about you? What are your names? Okay, well done. So today we are going to learn English using Filipino fable called The Carabao and the Shell. So this is a fun story with a good lesson. But first, I will tell you the story and then we'll talk about it. Ready? Alright, let's begin. So once upon a time, there was a big and strong Carabao. He was very proud of his strength. One day, he met a small shell by the river. The caribou laughed and said, "You are so small. I am much stronger than you." The shell replied, "Maybe, but I am smarter than you." The caribou said, "Let's race to see who is better." The shell agreed. When the race started, the caribou ran fast, but the shell stayed in the same spot and hid in the water. When the caribou shouted, "Where are you?" the shell replied, "I am here ahead of you." The caribou got tired and gave up. The shell taught him that being wise is better than being proud. So let's talk about the story. What did you learn? Yes, the shell was small but smart, but the carabao was strong but proud. Now let's learn some words from the story. So, carabao is a big, strong animal. So this is a carabao. Okay, and shell. So shell is a small creature in the water. So this is an example of a shell. And the word proud. So it is spelled as Proud. Proud. Can you repeat after me? Proud. Okay, very good. So proud means thinking you are better than the others, which is a behavior of the carabao. Yes, very good. Another word is wise. Wies. Wise. Can you repeat after me? Wise. Okay, very good. So wise means being smart and making good decisions. All right. So now let's practice English by summarizing the story in your own words. I will help you, okay? So the carabao was, yes, the carabao was proud, but the shell was, yes, the shell was wise. The shell won because it was, yes, the shell won because it was smart. He is good with his decisions. Very good. So good job everyone. So what do you think does the story teaches us? Mm-hmm. Yes. The story teaches us that being wise is more important than being proud. Remember to always use your mind and not your strength. So, thank you for listening and learning with me today. See you next time.
Game! Random game! Game start!
아파트 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 아파트
아파트 아파트 아파트 아파트 아파트